Hello everybody, I'm Hartinah Pasha Carolin and I'm from Pelita Bangsa University. The honorable judges, teachers, and my friends, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm gonna tell you the story of a duckling, a gosling, and a puppy. Do you know that story? So, let's get started from once upon a time. In the forest called the Blue Forest, there lived a family of geese consisting of a goose father, a goose mother, and a goose called Libby. Libby is a very curious child. He asks his father anything he wants to know, and his father explained it to him. It doesn't feel like Libby is growing very fast. Now, he has become a brave, a strong, and a friendly goose. One day, mother and father go out of the house to look for food. They went to the side of the forest in search of water, woods, and fruits. However, something strange happened. When they were about to take the fruits, they heard the sound of a baby crying very loud. Then, they looked for the sound of a baby coming from. And do you know what? Behind the bushes, there was a baby duck crying out of hunger. Feeling sorry for a baby, mother and father brought the baby to home. After arriving at home, mother and father decided to take care and raise the baby to be their child. They gave name Coco to the baby who became Libby's brother. Do you know that Coco loves playing with Libby so much? They played together every day until late at night. And at that time, Coco asked Libby, "Libby, what is that thing in the sky? That is so big and bright." "That is a big lamp. They gave us the light. Look, I can touch it." "And what is the thing that makes up the big lamp?" "Of course, that is a small lamp. They're beautiful, isn't it?" "They're so beautiful. I love those." Everything Coco doesn't know, he asked to Libby, and Libby explained it to Coco according to what his parents taught him. In the next day, Coco was told by his mother to look for woods in the forest. Coco was looking for woods, collected the woods, and brought the woods to his house. But something unexpected happened. Before arriving at home, Coco heard the sound of a girl cry, and Coco looked for the source of the sound. How it surprised him! He saw a crying puppy girl. "Are you okay?" "I'm sorry, what happened? Why are you crying?" "I'm lost." "Don't worry, I can help you, but you have to stop crying first." "I'm Alexa. I'm lost." "Okay, Alexa, I'm Coco." "You lost? Where are your parents?" I came here on a school camping event, but I got lost. School? Camping? What is that thing? Camping is a school event, and school is a place to study. Okay, here Alexa. Because it was getting dark, I'm afraid something happened to us. So I think you better come with me to my house. Look at the sky. The big lamp have appeared. What do you mean, Coco? Do you call the moon is the big lamp? Let me tell you. Let me explain to you.
Seatbelts, check. Helmets, check. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The closest planet to the sun, curious, Mercury.
The hottest and the brightest of all, victory, Venus.
A beautiful planet with a moon, it is the Earth and the moon.
Rusty, dusty, rocky, chilly, marvelous Mars.
Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
The biggest and the heaviest gas giant, Jupiter.
With beautiful, beautiful rings, dancing Saturn.
Always looking and spinning, sideways, Uranus.
The eighth planet farthest from the sun, blue Neptune.
Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
Wow, Alexa, that was so amazing. What did you call that thing? That was solar system actually. How did you know that? I study at school and my teacher teach me. Along the way to Coco's house, they were talking about the solar system. And for your information, that made Coco so happy. Arriving at home, Coco explained what happened to him to his parents and his brother. Coco explained to Libby that what they call about the big lamp was wrong. That was solar system actually. After that, Coco asked permission to be allowed to go to school, but Libby doesn't want to. No, I don't want to. I don't want to go to school. I don't want to leave Mama and Papa. If you want to go, just go alone. But Libby, it would be better if we did together, right? I said no, Coco. Libby, come on. Will be fun. We will learn so many things and we will see the outside of the world. Enough, Coco. I don't want to. Because Libby and Coco didn't stop arguing, Papa separated them by saying, Libby and Coco, Papa and Mama really love you. Libby and Coco are brothers. You two have to take care of each other and love each other. Papa and Mama agreed. You two go to school, go study, make lots of friends, and see the outside of the world. Then you know how to take care of each other. The next day, Coco and Libby took Alexa to the edge of the forest, looking for Alexa's camping group. And after that, they went to school together. The end. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!